to start your Bright Wishes project. We're going to be working with symmetry, and we've already talked about how we create light from light bulbs, from fire to our cell phones. And we're going to start with our light bulbs. And so you have access to this handout, and on this handout you have all these different types of light bulbs you can do. So this is the socket. This is the part that we're going to do out of metal. So we're going to do that after we get our light bulbs made, and you can use any shape that you want for your light bulb. And there's also more on the back. And you can tell our modern current light bulbs versus the older vintage light bulbs. And we want to kind of lean a little bit more towards the vintage because that's what we're doing. And so you have pieces of paper that are about 4.5 inches by 3, and you can fold it this direction for a fatter shape, or you can fold it up and down for a skinnier shape. That's going to be up to you. We're going to be drawing on the fold of our paper, so be sure that you line up your edges and that you crease that really well. And then you can use and copy these if you want, or come up with your own. But we're going to start on the fold and we're going to stop on the fold. You're not going to draw off the top of your paper on any of your open sides. We're only going to draw on the fold, so that we can create a symmetrical design that once it's drawn and then cut out, we'll have a hole. So you can see that I've already started a couple of them here. And you're going to need to draw a top, and you can make this as wide as you want, or you can make it thin. It's going to be hidden under a piece of metal, so it's fine about that. And you pick whichever shape that you want for your light bulb. And so again, you're going to start with that neck of that light bulb that's going to start up in your light socket. And you're going to draw that shape first and bring your bulb, and then however you do your bulb, again, you're not going to touch any of the open sides if possible. That one comes right down to the corner, so that should be fine. Then, with the magic of a few cuts of our scissors, we're going to end up with a lovely symmetrical design, because we want our light bulbs and the light sockets to be symmetrical. Now, if you'll notice, I made the decision as I was cutting to make that just a little bit larger. Let's do this one too, so you can see the different ones. And then all we do is we open it up, and then we're going to have a symmetrical light bulb. So this is your first cutting step. All right.